Hey everyone, and welcome to my first ever how to do cool travel stuff very easily, or maybe I'll call it My Life's a How-To Movie. Not really sure yet. But anyway, I'm Alyssa Ramos from My Life's a Travel Movie, and I'm going to be showing you how to do something cool that's super easy to do, that's travel related each week, depending on what you guys told me that you wanted to learn on my Instagram stories. So the one that I got a lot of demand for was how to use the GoPro to take your own travel photos. Now if you didn't already know this, I created my entire Instagram initially just by using a GoPro, a selfie stick, and my phone. And the reason why I use my phone as well is because it acts as a remote control when I'm using the GoPro. So it's super easy to use. This is the latest GoPro, the Hero 7 Black. It works really well, takes great nighttime photography, it can do slow-mo, things like that, high quality. But with any GoPro, you can connect it to your phone, which is like the best thing about having one of these things, besides, you know, that they're indestructible. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to quickly connect it. So you'll just turn on the GoPro. You can see on the screen if you'd like. Make sure the Wi-Fi is on. And then I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi network, and I've named it My Life's a Travel Movie, Hero 7. So I just connect it to my Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is built in, so you don't have to do anything, pay anything extra. All GoPro cameras have built-in Wi-Fi, and no matter where you are in the world, unless you're underwater, it will connect to your phone. Alright, so I've connected to the Wi-Fi, and then all I'm going to do now, I have the GoPro app, which you obviously need. So I'm going to tap the GoPro app. It's going to open up here. And I'm going to tap the camera at the top. There's my GoPro. So I have the option to view media, or I want to take a picture, so I'm going to do the camera. So now it has the preview on it. So anywhere I look with my camera, it's going to preview on my phone. Alright, so this is how I took all my pictures, and if you notice, I do a lot of the back of my head because when you have the stick out and it's behind you, like so, it's really easy to hide the camera in front of you, look at the preview, and take the picture right from your phone. So there's the picture. So again, super easy to use. You can also do video. I think I was actually making a video. Yep, I was. You can record video, same thing. You can see where you are, where you're aiming and stuff like that. It works really well for framing pictures, making sure that you're in the center of the picture, making sure everything looks good so you're not taking a million pictures. A lot of people say, oh, why don't you just put it on burst? And it's because I can't see myself when it's in burst mode because the screen goes black. So burst and time lapse are also an option, especially if you want the front of you and you don't want to be seen using your phone. And also if you're doing an action shot, like you're jumping. So all you would do is you would probably want to use a tripod that attaches to the selfie stick. I have the exact ones that I use on my blog post following this video. So all I do really is attach my little tripod like this. Most nifty thing ever. Set it up somewhere like this. And then that way, I can either use my phone to walk farther away, and I can see what it's taking pictures of, so I can get a far away shot photo. Or I can put it on time lapse, which you can do from the app. So it's just the button all the way at the left, and I can put it on time lapse, put my phone down, run away, climb a mountain, jump, and get a really cool action shot. So that's basically all you really need to know to use the GoPro and the app to take your own pictures. You can download the pictures straight to your phone, really nifty as well. Other than that, my tips for getting great frames and stuff like that is always look for the background first and then see where you want to put yourself in it. Usually centered is best to make for a great frame. Lighting is everything. In case you get to notice, I'm sitting in a really awkward area right now at the side of my table, but it's because there's a window behind me and lighting is best in this direction. Also pay attention to what you wear, of course. I like to contrast with the background of where I'm at. So if you're in a brightly colored place, maybe wear something neutral. If you're in a very neutral place, like the red sand dunes of Namibia, wear bright white or something bright blue that will really pop and stand out. You can also try to aim for one specific color that pops in all of your photos. Red is always a great one. Other than that, I'll be back next week to show you how to edit.